Hi, my name is Dale. In this short video we're going to look at two new features in PowerPoint 2019, Morph and support for 3D models. Now what is Morph? Morph is a really easy way to animate text and objects automatically. Where it becomes really powerful is in its support for animating 3D models. Now, how does it work? Is it really complicated? Well, no. I've got a slide here with a 3D model on it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate that slide. On the second version of it, I'm going to resize the 3D model by pulling out the corners. I'm then going to select the preset animations and select the side view of it. I'll just tweak that a little bit better so you can see the ports. Then what I'll do is I'll go to transitions and I will select Morph. That will give me a quick preview. Now in my presentation, when I'm talking about the laptop and I want to focus on the ports, it will automatically animate to show those. Quick and easy. I will give you more tips for being productive in my next Office 2019 video.